So in this example, we have an income constraint of $5. The price of X is $2 per unit. The price of Y is $1 per unit. And the utility function is equal to, well, I guess we have the quantity of X and the quantity of Y we consume. And then we have U, which is equal to the quantity of X times the quantity of Y. Okay. Now, right now we're not buying anything, so our utility is 0. Let's say we spent all our money on X, and that would give us 2. That would be 2.5. But because we're not buying any Y, our utility is still 0. Now, if we put in our price constraint, our budget constraint here, or we'll call this expended. This is going to be the amount of X times the price of X plus the amount of Y times the price of Y. So we have our objective function, which is the utility, and we have our income constraint and our income coded. So now we can use the Excel solver to solve this problem. So if we come to the Data tab, there's a what if analysis. You may have to install this yourself, but it's actually over here in Solver. Click Solver. It'll bring this into the window. So what we want to do is the objective function is our utility. And we want to maximize that utility by changing the amount of X and the amount of Y that we purchase. But we need to add a constraint, and that constraint is this price. The amount of money we expend must be less than or equal to the income constraint. So we'll add that constraint, push OK. Yeah. So now we've set the objective. We're going to maximize the objective by changing the amount of goods we're purchasing, subject to the constraint that the amount of money we expend must be less than or equal to I. So now we'll solve this, and it's going to run, and it's going to find this value. We'll push OK. And so, yeah, if we buy 1.25 units of X and 2.499999 units of Y, then we will have a maximum utility of 3.12.